Introducing the all-new Tonybot, an advanced AI humanoid robot designed for beginners. Whether it's walking, dancing, performing gymnastics, or even lifting, this compact marvel delivers a mighty punch. Tonybot's body structure integrates 16 high-voltage bus servos, delivering powerful dynamics for smooth and precise movements. The app's intuitive controls make operation effortless, allowing anyone to get started immediately. Its ESP32 controller supports a wide range of development environments. Whether you're a beginner or an engineer, there's a coding method that fits your needs. Equipped with a glowing ultrasonic sensor, Tonybot not only emits colorful lights but also detects its surroundings in real time. Navigate complex mazes, follow moving objects, or take on creative AI challenges with ease. With a built-in IMU sensor, Tonybot precisely detects its posture and automatically recovers from falls instantly. We've developed a high-performance AI vision module that gives Tonybot advanced vision capabilities, streaming its first-person view transmission to your phone via Wi-Fi. Unleash your creativity to discover more AI vision features, bringing new excitement to your AI learning journey. With additional plug-and-play electronic modules that enable functions like touch control, distance measurement, smart fan operation, and temperature and humidity detection. Combined with our self-developed WonderEcho module, Tonybot can listen and speak with customizable wake words and voice commands, delivering a truly superior AI voice interaction experience.
Push up.
Copy that.
Integrated with Wi-Fi module, Tonybot unlocks a world of IoT possibilities, transforming your robot into a smart, personal assistant. We provide comprehensive technical resources and open-source code, with step-by-step tutorials covering everything from motion control to custom development. These resources are designed to elevate your end-to-end development skills and help bring your robotic innovations from concept to reality. Tonybot Next Generation. Smarter AI, stronger performance. The future starts now.